Welcome back. Now this course is not a full-blown tutorial on MailChimp or any other email service provider, but there are a few more essential things that you'll need to know about this very important practice of collecting names and email addresses. There are basically going to be two kinds of messages that you're going to want to send the individuals that become part of your email marketing list. One is called a regular email. Now in some platforms, this is called a broadcast email. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be designing a message that will go to everyone on our email marketing list in real time. So in the case of MailChimp, we'll first decide on who the message will go to. Once we choose the specific list, we can choose a segment within that list that we have designed beforehand. Or we can decide to send it to everyone on the email marketing list. In MailChimp, we can save this area. Now, in the case of MailChimp, the from depends on the email address that we have set up for this specific list. We will then write a subject. Now, this subject will be different than the name of your email, which is only internal to you. The subject will actually be seen by your customer, and it will be one of the determining factors as to whether or not they will open your email. We're now going to click Save. You'll notice now that the only thing that we have left to do is to actually write the email that we're going to be sending to everyone on our email marketing list. Now, every platform is going to be different at this point, but inside of MailChimp, we can choose a specific layout in order to place our text. Once you've written out the broadcast email, you can then click Continue here in MailChimp, and your email is now ready to be sent to your entire list or those you have specified. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.